Welcome to the Unova Excel for HR course. In this chapter, we'll learn how to use the logical functions if, and or in Microsoft Excel to evaluate HR data quickly and accurately. Let's get started. To begin, open your Excel sheet containing employee data such as attendance percentage and performance ratings. We'll display all results in column K after the main data ends, so calculations remain organized. Let's start with the if function. The if function checks whether a condition is true or false and returns a result based on that condition. In cell K2, type equals if open bracket B2 greater than 90, eligible, not eligible, close bracket, and press enter. If the attendance value in cell B2 is above 90, Excel displays eligible. Otherwise, it shows not eligible. Once the result appears, drag the fill handle down from K2 to apply the same logic to all employees in the list. This automatically evaluates eligibility across the entire dataset. Now, let's move to the in function. The in function checks multiple conditions at the same time. In cell K2, type equals if open bracket and open bracket B2 greater than 90, C2 greater than 4, close bracket, eligible, not eligible, close bracket. Here, Excel checks whether attendance is above 90% and performance rating is above 4. Only when both conditions are met will the results show eligible. Again, drag the formula down to apply it to all rows instantly. This is useful when eligibility depends on more than one factor. Next, let's look at the OR function. The OR function returns true if at least one condition is satisfied. In cell K2, type equals if open bracket or open bracket B2 greater than 90, C2 greater than 4, close bracket, eligible, not eligible, close bracket. Here, even if only one condition is met, Excel will display eligible. Drag the formula down to evaluate the entire employee list in one go. These logical functions help HR teams automate decisions like appraisal eligibility, incentive qualification, or compliance checks without manual review. That's it. You now know how to use if, and or functions in Microsoft Excel and apply them across employee data efficiently using drag-down formulas. In Unova HRMS, these conditions are configured once as per company policy, and after that, the system automatically evaluates eligibility and criteria without any manual effort. Thank you for watching.